Graphs, plots, and charts test. The first two questions use the graph below concerning flu cases. Number 1. During what period was the largest flu outbreak in the period 2003 to 2004? A. October-November, B. November-December, C. December-January, D. January-February. Number 2. During what period was the largest flu outbreak in the period 2009 to 2010? A. October-November, B. November-December, C. December-January, D. January-February. The next two questions use the bar graph below concerning pizza toppings. Number 3. How many customers have chosen either tomato or pepper topping? A. 165, B. 175, C. 185, D. 190. Number 4. If 75 more customers preferred bacon, which one will top the chart, bacon or onion? A. Onion, B. Bacon. The following two questions are based on the graph below concerning an animal safari. 5. Which animal is double the count of the giraffes? A. Deer, B. Tiger, C. Chimp, D. Lion. Number 6. How many tigers, elephants, and giraffes do they have on the safari? A. 360, B. 370, C. 380, D. 390. Number 7. What is the average or mean of the following numbers? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. A. 25, B. 30, C. 35, D. 40. Number 8. Based on the graph below, predict how long it will take to travel 400 miles away from Pittsburgh. A. 3 hours, B. 3.5 hours, C. 4 hours, D. 4.5 hours. Number 9. What is the average or mean of the following numbers? 23, 34, 31, 28, 30, 33, 31. A. 20, B. 25, C. 30, D. 35. Number 10. According to the graph below, how long will it take to travel a total distance of 280 miles at a speed of 70 miles per hour? A. 4 minutes, B. 3 hours, C. 4 hours, D. 5 hours. Number 11. Students slid a small wood block along a flat tabletop for a distance of 1.6 meters. The data shows the motion of the wood block. Which graph displays the motion of the wood block? A, B, C, or D? Number 12. A hobbyist collected data about the motion of a toy train on a straight track and then recorded the data in the graph below. Which of these accurately describes the motion of the toy train? A. The toy train speeds up while going forward, then slows down. B. The toy train slows down while going forward and then moves backwards. C. The toy train moves forward at a constant speed, slows down, and then stops. D. The toy train moves forward at an increasing speed, stops, and then moves forward. Number 13. A student runs 2 times around a running path at the local park. Each lap is 3 kilometers. The student completes the first lap in 20 minutes. The student then sits on a bench and rests for 5 minutes before completing the second lap in 25 minutes. Which graph best represents the student's motion? A, B, C, or D? Number 14. The graph below shows distance over time. Which of these situations could be represented by this graph? A. A student walks 1.5 kilometers to a friend's house in 40 minutes. The 2 students then walk about another 1.5 kilometers to school in 20 minutes. B. The student walks 1.5 kilometers to a friend's house in 20 minutes. The 2 students then walk another 1.5 kilometers to the school in 40 minutes. C. A student walks 1.5 kilometers to a friend's house in 30 minutes. The 2 students then walk another 1.5 kilometers to the school in 30 minutes. D. A student walks 1.5 kilometers to a friend's house in 20 minutes. The two students then walk another 1.5 kilometers to the school in 30 minutes. Number 15. A car travels at a constant speed of 15 meters per second for 2 minutes. The car increases its speed from 15 to 25 meters per second during the next minute, and then travels at a constant speed of 25 meters per second for 2 more minutes. Which of the following graphs best represents the car's motion during this 5-minute period? A, B, C, or D?